Many Microsoft users complained about the camera being too dark and having bizarre contrast, and currently, there is no built-in option to adjust the camera brightness within Microsoft Teams. So through this video, let's see what kind of workarounds you can use to bypass this issue. So for the first fix, you can try to adjust video settings via Skype. Do that by launching the Skype application, go to Settings, and then select Audio and Video, then go to the webcam settings. After that, bring the brightness slider all the way to the right to turn up the camera brightness or depending on how you would like it. Afterwards, save the changes, launch Microsoft Teams, and then check the results. Now another workaround consists of turning up the brightness settings on the camera application. So what you should do is exit Teams completely, launch Settings on your device, go to Camera, then toggle off 3D Viewer. Moreover, you can also enable Pro Mode to access the advanced options. Then, launch Microsoft Teams again and check if you notice any difference. While other users also solve this issue by updating or rolling back the camera drivers. Like for an example, many Microsoft Livecam users complain about the brightness issues in Teams. Fix the problem by rolling back to a previous driver version. Now those are the different ways on how you can adjust camera brightness in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.